In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a whole new ad onto the caravans for sale page on our website. What we do to start with is I've shown you how to upload your photos for the new ad and how to create a widget kit to link those photos to the new ad. So what we need to do now is go to Article Manager, scroll down to Caravans for Sale. Okay, now as I've shown you on previous videos, we need to open up the editor. So you hover your mouse over the bottom right hand corner so you get the two arrows pointing opposite to each other. Hold the left mouse button and drag it across the screen till it opens it up as big as you want it, and then let go of the mouse button. Okay, what we need to do now is to create a new ad. Right, so what we need to do is we need to click down here under the last ad, and we need to type in what the caravan is. So as a test purposes, we will say this is a 2001 model Jayco. Okay. Now to get the format and everything the same as the previous ads, what the easiest way to do is to, if you click on the actual word up here, the name of the other caravan, you'll see that up here it gives the actual name of the style of the actual writing, the font, the size of it, which is an 18 point, and that it's in bold. So to get at the same text, what you do is you click down the bottom left where you've written in the 2001 Jayco, you click next to it, you hold down the left mouse button, drag it over top, and take the left mouse button off until you've highlighted it, like this. And you go up to here and you put down you click on font size, which was 18 point. You click the B for bold, and font family is that's what that style of writing is. Then you click anywhere on the screen over here to the right, and as you can see, it's changed to the same style of font. So if we click next to that one there and click enter, now here, this is where we actually input all our information on the caravan. So what you need to do is to go go back. We need to change the text the same as this text. So we need to put the mouse on there and click it, and that tells us what it is. So we click down here, then we click on there, and we click on font size. That's font family. We need to uncheck that so it's not bold. And then we need to start adding our information, as in A, T, M, hypothetically 20 foot. It's got an awning. It's got aircon, and so on and so on. Now, after you've added that information like that, drag over top with your left mouse button while the left mouse button is held down and highlight all the text you've just added. Then go up to the top of the edit panel up here, and this one here, unordered list. Just click directly onto that, and what that does, as you can see, just click anywhere on the screen here with your mouse button. It's put it into the same format as up here. Okay. Now under that, you just have to keep an eye on the font size because it keeps going back sometimes to that original. So what you need to go is just click on font size. and you don't want it bold, obviously. Okay, this is where you put the rest of the information in. We're just going to add cell, $1,000. Now, if you want to make that stand out and be bold, like this one, the same thing again. Left mouse button, drag it over top, scroll up, click the B for bold. And what you can see, that makes that bold. Okay, now, under that, enter, you type in, click on an image to see full size. Well, we'll just go back. We need to uncheck that bold. Okay. Click on an image to see full size. And then to those doovie dackers. Now this is where we do our widget kit. We do just copy the same, copy here, the same as what's written here. So you do a bracket, widget, kit, ID equals, now remember that number we had from the previous video, that was number 70, wasn't it? Okay, so see how that there, same as that one. Okay, so you press enter on the keyboard, enter again, and then go up to your panel up here, and this one here which says insert horizontal ruler. Click that once, and that puts a line, so it keeps this ad by itself. Rightio, so if we scroll up and click on save, scroll back down, roll down the bottom, there we have a 2001 Jayco. It's a very basic ad, but you understand that, you know, you add whatever information you have there. Okay, now to check this out on the web page, we'll open up another tab on the Internet Explorer and navigate to toowoombacaravans.com.au. Click on caravans for sale. Now we scroll down, and down there we find our new caravan, 2001 Jayco, the information, the price. Click on the image to see full size. Click on the image, and there's our test caravan. Now you can see there that our Jayco that we've put in today is not dark black like these other ones. So what we do is we go, click back on our left text editor, do our usual, click on there, drag over top to highlight it, scroll up, go up to where it's got the color, click on that and highlight the black. Click anywhere on the screen, scroll back up, click on save. Once that's saved, go to your actual web page itself and click on that refresh button, which will refresh the page and show the new changes we've saved through the editor. Now if we scroll down, our new ad is the dark black like the previous ones, the ones up here. Okay, so that is how we insert a whole new ad on our caravans for sale page. Now to delete this ad, obviously we're going to delete it because it's only a test one, is you hold down the mouse key, go over top, roll up, take your mouse button off. While in that blue screen, click on your right mouse button and click on No, that's currently not supported. Makes it harder. Right, what we'll do is we'll put the mouse button there and we'll basically backspace to delete all the text we've added. Right up. There we go. Now the ad's not there, but you've got to remember we have to save it to make the changes. Okay, we've saved it. We'll go back to our actual web page, click on the refresh button to load the page with the changes that have been saved. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see the new ad that we put on before has now gone. So that is basically how to add a whole new ad onto the website. But you need to go through the process of watching the 3 videos from 1 to 3 in order. You need to watch the one on how to upload the photos first. Then you need to watch the one on how to make a widget kit and remember that number for the widget kit. Then you need to watch the third video, this one, on how to actually add it all onto the Caravans for Sale website page. Okay, well, that's about all I've got to say on this one, and I will talk to you later. Bye.